Have you ever found yourself in this situation? Well, we have a solution for you. Take your showers to the next level with the new Taito shower mixer. You will be able to control all your music at the touch of a button without getting out of the shower. So how does it work? Use your own speaker as you normally would. Simply turn Taito on and connect it to your phone through the Bluetooth settings. Stick it to the wall and you're good to go. With its suction cups, you will be able to attach it to any flat surface. Taito has a long-lasting battery, and its casing makes it 100% waterproof. Not feeling this song? No problem. Hit the next song button. Someone is calling you and the best part of the song is about to come up? Simply decline the call and avoid waiting those long seconds that feel like hours. Forget the inconvenience of not being able to hear someone that is trying to talk to you. It can't get easier than just pausing the song. Discover its many features. What to do once you're done? Turn Taito off and go on with your day. Pre-purchase Taito now! Taito, taking your showers to the next level.